10 interesting good habits to develop. 1. Set yourself some daily goals. Keep them realistic and achievable. That will give direction so you don't fritter your time. 2. Read inspirational books and blogs. Hang around people who are positive. 3. Stay in touch with what's happening in the world. We're not just islands, we are part of one another. 4. Make the effort to stay in touch. Just a like on Facebook or a brief text message conveys to that person that they matter to you. 5. Invest some time in your appearance and health. We're more confident when we look and feel our best. 6. Pay attention to your priorities. Do what's most important and not most urgent first. Note: if you never learn to prioritize, then everything seems urgent, and that's what runs your life. 7. Smile. It makes people feel more positive towards you, and it tends to lift our mood and enhance our feelings, too. 8. Tidy as you go. It's easier to work, and you'll feel a lot less stressed if you're working somewhere that's devoid of clutter. Also, if you tidy as you go, then it feels less overwhelming. 9. Include some margin in your life so you don't feel so stressed, as unexpected things always eat away our time. Expect that to happen and leave some extra time. 10. Take time for yourself, as you need to relax, unwind, recover, and recharge your batteries.